I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese from milk. First, let's prepare your milk. You'll want to start with fresh, high-quality whole milk, as this forms the foundation of your delicious cheese. Gently heat the milk to a precise temperature, typically around 90 degrees Fahrenheit. This warmth is essential for the starter cultures to thrive and begin their work, setting the stage for the next exciting step in our cheese-making journey. Next, we move to acidification and curd formation. Carefully add your chosen starter culture to the warmed milk. This culture will begin to acidify the milk, contributing significantly to the final flavor profile of your cheese. Following this, introduce a small amount of rennet. Rennet is a key ingredient that causes the milk proteins to coagulate, transforming the liquid milk into a solid, gelatinous curd. Let it set for about 45 minutes. Now that your curds have formed, it's time to cut and drain them. Using a long knife or curd cutter, carefully slice the firm curd into small, uniform cubes, typically about 1/2 inch in size. This increases the surface area, allowing more whey to be released. Then, gently stir and slowly heat the curds, which helps them firm up and expel even more whey. Finally, drain the liquid whey, leaving you with the solid cheese curds. Our final steps involve pressing and aging your cheese. First, transfer the drained curds into a cheese mold and apply pressure. This pressing removes any remaining whey and helps the curds knit together into a solid wheel. Next, salt your cheese. This is crucial for flavor development and acts as a natural preservative. Finally, age your cheese in a cool, humid environment for a period ranging from a few weeks to several months, allowing its unique character to fully develop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.